Maybe brakes.
More brakes, more
We could
brakes.
use brakes. No, we don't need that much brakes, Jake. It's fine.
You're gonna need more brakes.
You're
gonna need more brakes.
We're gonna rip around like this. Woo! Those of you who are regulars on the channel are probably gonna know this already, but for the rest of you, I got a confession to make. I like ultra-wide monitors, and I cannot lie. And there's no limit to the cringiness of these videos, so if you can't handle this, then you might as well tune out now. Samsung sent us over another one of their Odyssey G9 240 hertz 32x9 1000R curved, look how curved this thing is, ultra wide gaming monitors for a sponsored project. And we're gonna take this puppy, we're gonna build the sickest gaming rig you have ever seen, and we're gonna mount it right here. Oh, that's heavy. For the ultimate in immersive racing. Oh yeah, and this thing like moves and stuff.
Oh, it's not mounted. We've got a few things we need to do. First, you've got to build that PC. I don't want to deal with cable management. You can do that yourself. I am going to do the fun stuff and put together the rest of that sim. I kind of started building it, but we do need to put the racing seat actually in the cockpit, get the monitor mounted, and then we put it together and try some games.
Tell me about that thing.
This is the next level racing. Motion Platform V3. It's a 2 Degrees of Freedom motion simulator platform, something like what you might have seen at a trade show where you get to sit on it and it moves around and it's super cool. Now what's special about this one is its size. This thing is frickin' tiny. This is all you need, and it drops right into something like that, which is their GT Track cockpit setup. You plop the chair right on top, sit on it, plug the USB in and the power, load up their software, and it works seamlessly. At least that's what they tell me. And while it is smaller than something you might have seen at a trade show, it doesn't necessarily mean that the price is gonna reflect that. One of these bad boys will run you $3,000 US.
What?
Which sounds like a lot.
Yeah, because it is.
It is a lot until you look at something from other companies where you might be spending $10,000 to $15,000 to $50,000 on maybe something with more degrees of freedom. It's definitely the entryway into this sort of thing. Fortunately for you guys, I already assembled the GT Track, so we don't have to watch that. And adding the motion platform to it is pretty easy.
On the computer side of things, we basically went zero compromises, starting with the CPU. We've got a Ryzen 9 3900X 12 core. So whether we're talking highly detailed racing sims or at some point in the future, we'd really love to fire up the latest version of Microsoft Flight Sim on this machine, we're not expecting any kinds of stutters or any chugging, even when we're streaming in large amounts of data from our PCI Express SSD. We're using an X570 Pro Prime ASUS motherboard, just because it had all the slots that we needed, and loading this puppy up with 32 gigs of 3600 megahertz RGB memory. The RGB makes it go faster.
So now I've got the seat that usually comes with the GT Track, and once we've installed the motion platform in there, you just put the seat right on top and bolt it to it.
For our case, we went with the P600S from Phanteks in a black and white configuration that is gonna go really well with the rest of our internal components and the monitor itself, which, as you guys might have noticed, has this sick, futuristic looking black and white color scheme. Yeah, hey, just like this water bottle from LTTstore.com. Woo! This is one good looking system. Power supply, nice choice. I actually, no offense ASUS, wouldn't have thought to use an ROG power supply, but this is their Strix 850 watt in white. And it even comes with sleeved white cables. These are not the whitest cables I've ever seen. In fact, you can see they got kind of like a creamish hue compared to the case, but they're close. You ruined it, didn't you?
Yeah, it peeled.
It's horrible.
Now I have to do we can't leave it like that. Ugh.
One of my favorite things about this case is just how easy it is to cable manage everything into a real nice styles.
It's time to talk peripherals. Now, we're not going with something that's like the crazy $1,000 wheel setup that is direct drive and you gotta spend a mortgage payment to get, but we wanted to go with something that was still very, very good. And we knew just who to call. So the guys over at Thrustmaster sent over their new T-LCM pedal set. These are a lot like, the average pedals you might see at your Best Buy, but rather than just being a potentiometer inside and having sort of a linear travel, these are load cell pedals, which means you get a lot more accurate feel. And look how freaking nice they are. That's all aluminum, baby. The rest of our Thrustmaster stuff includes their TH8A shifter, which is a pretty nice gated shifter, as well as the T300 RS wheel, which we have combined with the add-on open wheel. So that's like kind of like a GT4 style, pretty dope looking wheel that we used to swap out the stock one. Wow, it's like even like kind of Alcantara-y. And this uses the same modular system as that wheel, so we should be able to just plop it right on, twist the lock on, and we're good to go.
Now it's finally time for the cherry on top of this gorgeous gaming Sunday. The ASUS ROG Strix Gaming, for gamers, 2080 Ti, White Edition.
Unlike a lot of the home gamer stuff where you might have a clamp on the bottom of your wheel, fortunately the GT track has holes pre-drilled so we can mount our wheel directly on there. Unfortunately for our shifter, it doesn't look like there's a pre-defined holes, so I'm just gonna screw it on there. Fortunately for us, our pedals can actually be mounted directly to the GT track just like the wheel, so they won't be moving around.
That's the biggest one.
What?
Pedals. Like if your pedals are moving around.
Oh, yeah.
It's the frickin' worst.
Yeah, especially when you got short legs, right?
And that's it. System's done.
Wait, you're already done?
Yeah.
I'm not even close.
This isn't gonna stay on here because we're gonna mount it to the racing setup. But for me to just set up Windows and get games installed and stuff, this is a little bit easier. I get such a kick out of sitting in front of one of these and like hearing the way your voice echoes back at you. Like, oh, hi. That's a lot of monitor there. Built-in RGB is very, very RGB.
All right, I could get behind that.
In front of it?
I could get behind.
5120 by 1440. Ah, that is so much resolution at this refresh rate. Look at that smoothness.
Wow.
240 hertz. Latest drivers are on here. So are we ready to mount this?
Yeah.
Where does it even mount to?
Oh, it's
Where'd it go?
It's separate.
Oh!
So it's got wheels so you can slide
weird.
it in and out of the way.
Samsung includes an adapter because as you can see, the back of this monitor is not exactly conducive to mounting on a VESA compatible arm, but with this adapter, we can make up some of that depth there and then mount to these screws right here. I didn't think it was possible for this thing to look any cooler, but now, oh, damn it, I did it upside down. Oh.
Are you kidding me?
No.
Jesus.
I put it down thinking it was like, I had done this, but I brought it all the way around. It doesn't matter. Sweet. You know, I questioned the wheels before, but this is actually kind of nice just to be able to like get it out of the way or, you know, just.
Well, if this part is going to be movable, you might as well have that, right?
Yeah. All right,
Show
cool.
off that,
I want to see the window though. I want to see the window while I'm driving.
Oh, I see, okay.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh my, Jesus.
Jeez, whoops. Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Amateur hour over
here. It's all good, it's all good. Oh.
Wait, what?
Oh, wait, we're not the monitor.
Oh yeah, we forgot about that.
The centerpiece, Jake. The centerpiece.
Sorry, Samsung. Don't hate me.
Okay, got my clutch. Whoa! Here we go.
Do you have the? Oh man.
That's fine. No. See, it's a good system. It's a good system we got up in here. Definitely.
Oh, we don't have audio.
Holds in place pretty well.
We need to get some speakers. Oh, how did we bung that up?
We?
Oh, how did I bung that up? Oh, oops. Money shifted.
Wrong gear, wrong gear, wrong gear.
Engine's gone.
To the credit of this setup, I'm finding this a lot easier than I normally do. Like it pulls me forward a little bit. Oh, and I can tell when I lose traction. Yeah. Like visually, I couldn't tell.
Oh shoot! Oh, and engine gone again. You're in third gear again.
Oh my.
Going to fifth.
Hold on. I love going over bumps, like on the just the curb on the edge of the road. It's great because you can really like, oh yeah, I'm going over a bump here, boys. Man, this is running crazy smooth too. Like we're over 100 FPS. Obviously, this is a high refresh rate G.Sync monitor. It's like freaking sweet.
Little tachometer.
It's not really a map.
Well, I'm working on the map.
Oh, I was okay with the tack the way it was now that I found it. Did I stall? I can't even tell when I stall. Oh boy, that's very unhelpful.
Oops.
Trey's unhelpful. Almost all of these are worse. Oh, you know what? This actually is quite a bit better in terms of like the tilt of the camera, feeling like the tilt of the chair I'm in. Man, you really got to give her that. Force feedback might actually be a little strong even. 200 kilometers an hour. Here we go. 200 kilometers an hour. Woo! 206. What's the top speed of this thing? Thinking we're probably getting there. Maybe brakes.
More brakes.
We could use brakes. No, we don't need that much brakes, Jake. It's fine.
You're gonna need more brakes.
You're gonna need more brakes. We're gonna rip around like this. Woo!
Too fast, too furious, Linus.
We're
you got your lap time,
going into
13:29.
Yeah, woo! That pretty good.
No.
If there's no fit,
On the fit rally?
Yes!
Rally
I want it
edition?
so bad.
This is not a good car for the road, but...
This is how I would probably actually drive this road. It's a blind corner. Slow down, David.
There's no cars coming, oncoming. Hidden driveway. Oncoming. Looks clear. You're in such a high gear for this 100 horsepower motor. Oh, what? You didn't crash?
Yo, I know the Honda Fit, bro.
I own the shit out of my Honda Fit.
Why do you think my Honda Fit's so banged up? What do you think I do in the weekends?
In a real car, especially in a GT3 RS, this type of car won't have that much of a body roll. Oh, okay.
Oh, I turned!
Yay.
The thing is, like, if you're using a wheel, you can really save the car, but I couldn't do that with controller. It's super hard to save a car. Yeah.
Oh no!
Oh.
This does not feel like the clutch in this car. Not even a little bit. Whoa. Oh no, I didn't realize there was a corner there. Oh. Don't mind me. I know what I'm doing. This is literally the car I have sitting outside, so I should be able to drive this. Feels just as sketch at speed. Oh man. Oh, come on, baby.
Big thank you to Samsung for sponsoring this video. We've been looking for an excuse to put together something like this for quite some time, and their Odyssey G9 is a freaking awesome fit for it with that ultra, super, extra wide aspect ratio, high refresh rate, high resolution. On these monitors in the past, you'd see a lot of aliasing or stair-stepping on the graphics. Not freaking noticeable here at all at a comfortable viewing distance. So, hey guys, if you're looking for a setup like this or just a balls to the wall gaming setup and you love that immersive wide aspect ratio and tight curve, then check it out. We're gonna have it linked in the video description. Also wanna shout out Next Level Racing and all the folks who provided hardware for our rig here. This is one screamer of a gaming setup. If you guys enjoyed this video, maybe check out the one where I tried kind of this concept, but in VR and got super sick. We're gonna have that linked below. Hey, if you're in a bathroom in Denmark, what are you?
I don't know.
European.